Yeah.
Hello, everyone. This is Judge Hatcher. I have just signed on. We are getting the commissioners signed on, and we'll begin our local public hearing testimony in just a moment. We'll give the commissioners one more minute, and we'll go ahead and get started.
Commissioner Coleman is here.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Wow. You're welcome.
Okay, and I understand we are ready to go. Let's go on the record. First, I would like to ask everyone to please mute themselves unless speaking. That does cut down on our noise level and also prevent any audio feedback. Today is June 25th, 2020. The Missouri Public Service Commission has set this time for a local public hearing to give members of the public a chance to comment about Spire's application. The case number is GR-2021-0108, and that is captioned, "In the matter of Spire, Missouri, Inc., doing business as Spires, request for authority to implement a general rate increase for natural gas service provided in the company's Missouri service areas." The Missouri Public Service Commission regulates the rates charged by public utility companies in Missouri to ensure that those rates are just and reasonable. The Commission also regulates the quality of service and safety of the operations of public utilities. The Commission is made up of 5 commissioners. Those commissioners are appointed by the governor and confirmed by the Senate. The Public Service Commission employs a staff of engineers, accountants, attorneys, financial analysts, and other specialists in the field of utility regulation. My name is Charles Hatcher, and I am the regulatory law judge who will preside over this hearing. With me today are Commissioners Coleman and Commissioner Kolkmeyer. This is an official hearing of the Missouri Public Service Commission, and the statements and testimony of the witnesses will be recorded by the court reporter and must be given under oath. The Commission has not made any decisions in this case and cannot answer any questions today because they have to remain impartial until after all of the evidence is presented. At this time, I'll ask if there's any open remarks from the commissioners. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll get started with the entries of appearance. For Spire, please go ahead.
Good evening, Judge Hatcher. This is Matt Aplington, appearing on behalf of petitioner Spire Missouri, Inc., 700 Market Street, St. Louis, Missouri, 63101.
Thank you. And on behalf of the commission staff.
Karen Bretz for the staff of the Missouri Public Service Commission, 200 Madison Street, Jefferson City, 65101.
Thank you. And on behalf of the Office of the Public Counsel.
Good evening. John Kleiser, appearing on behalf of the Missouri Office of the Public Counsel, Governor Office Building, Suite 650, 200 Madison Street, P.O. Box 2230, Jefferson City, Missouri, 65102. Thank you.
Thank you. We also have a number of intervening parties. They are not required to be at this hearing, but if they are and they have a representative here, if they would like to enter their appearance, please go ahead. Okay, we will get to the hearing part right now. The process I'm going to use is just call the names on the sign-up sheet as I have them listed. When I call your name, if you can unmute yourself and say hello, that'll bring you to the front page of my WebEx screen. And I will then place you under oath and ask you to state and spell your name for the court reporter, and then ask that you go ahead and provide your testimony. So I have two names on the list tonight. The first is Julia Allen. Is there a Julia Allen? And I think I might have forgotten to mention, if you're on the telephone, to unmute yourself, you press *6. That's *6 if you're on the telephone. If you're on the app or the web page, there will be a button there for unmuting. Julia Allen. Let the record show there was no answer. Robin Ganal. The last name is spelled G-A-N-A-H-L. Robin Ganal. Okay, and we do have a number of other call-in users here. So I'd like to open up the forum. If there's anyone here who did not sign up but who would like to testify to the commission, just please speak up and we will swear you in and ask you to testify. Again, if you're on a phone, it is *6 to unmute. Okay. Let the record show no witnesses answered the call. So we'll go ahead and close out the hearing then. I'll ask for any closing remarks from our commissioners. All right, and I would like to thank all of our participants today for being here and also being at the question and answer session. If you do know someone who could not be present or you would like to make written comments, you can do that by going straight to the PSC webpage, and that's psc.mo.gov. And in the upper right-hand corner, there is a link to submit comments. Just remember this case number, and this is GR-2021-0108. If you have a question for the Office of the Public Counsel, you can reach them at mopco@opc.mo.gov. This hearing is now
Judge-
adjourned.
Judge,
Yes, please go ahead.
this is Commissioner Coleman. I just wanted to say that I appreciate the attention that everyone who has been involved this week has given to this. I don't recall a lot of interveners being present, but the company, our staff, OPC, I just wanted to give thanks to everyone for putting the time in for every one of the hearings. So I appreciate it. And thank you, Judge, also, and our court reporters.
Thank you, Commissioner, and I would echo those comments. This has been a week and 6 hearings, and all of you have done a terrific job. We are off the record.